your boy Miguel for the Mo Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. People are wondering, how do I know if my filter is good? Here's the new filter before I change it. You can see light right through it. No questions. A bad filter, you're not going to see light. You're just going to see a bunch of dirt. You see barely any light coming through, but the rest is dirt. Bad filter. One of the reasons why you should change this filter, air filter, is because you need to breathe. Your lungs have to be clean for you to breathe properly. The car is actually a huge pump, and it's going to suck in the air, put it with the fuel, spark, and boom, there you have it. But the less air it has, the harder it has to work, and eventually you're going to strain the engine. Your gas mileage is going to suffer, and you don't want to do that. So this is air filter 101, and do not buy the cheapest one, because the more pleats you have, the better quality versus buying something extremely cheap, and you're going to get what you pay for. With that said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.